we have an experiment for this week, and I picked a really, really easy experiment that anybody should be able to do at home or in the classroom. You really only need 3 bowls and some water. And I chose this experiment for 2 reasons. One is it fools your brain. So it's kind of a fun experiment where you trick your body. We can't always fool our brain. We can't always fool our body, but this is one experiment where we can. And then this experiment as well has to do a little bit with evolution, a little bit with an evolutionary response that our body does have. So I want to show you this experiment. It is so easy to do. And let me share my camera here. I've got a second camera loaded up, and I'm going to switch over to it now. And then we are going to, there we go. You should still hear me. All you need is 3 bowls. So here we go. I've got 2 bowls. Oh, there we go. And then a third one, a little bit bigger, that's going to go in the middle. So 1, 2, 3 bowls. In the bowls, you're going to put 3 different kinds of water. In one bowl, you're going to put hot water. Now, don't make it so hot you burn your hand, but make it nice and warm so that you can feel that it's pretty warm. You might want some supervision for this. Maybe your teacher, maybe a guardian at home can help you with the warm water. So not so warm that you're going to burn your hand, but warm enough that you can tell you're putting your hand in really nice warm water. In the other one on the end, you're going to put cold water, as cold as you can get it. Maybe you can get it really cold from the tap. Maybe you're going to want to add a little bit of ice to it. So warm water on one side, really cold water on the other, and you're going to put your hands, both your hands, one into the warm, one into the cold. And you're going to keep your hands there for 30 seconds. So hands in the water, 30 seconds, and wait. Count down those 30 seconds. A little bit longer wouldn't hurt, but at least 30 seconds. Then you're going to take your hands out and put them into the middle bowl. In the middle bowl, you're going to have regular water, room temperature water. So just what you'd normally get from your tap, or you can have the water sit maybe for part of the day. So it just gets to the same temperature as your room. Hot water in one, cold in the other. Keep your hands in each for 30 seconds and then put them both into the middle bowl, the room temperature bowl, and see what you feel. I'm going to tell you right now, it is going to feel really strange. One hand will feel very different from the other hand, and it might surprise you a little bit at first. So warm water and cold water, one in each bowl. Keep your hands in for 30 seconds, then put them both into the the room temperature bowl in the middle. You could experiment different ways and do it separately. So keep one hand in the warm, then put it into the room temperature bowl, or keep one in the cold, then put it in. But do try it with both hands, because it is going to be quite a strange feeling when you put your hands in. So a very easy experiment for this week. 3 bowls, some water, hot water in one, really cold water in the other, and room temperature in the middle. So let's switch my camera views back here. We'll take this one away. You have 2 weeks to try that experiment at home or in the classroom. Send in pictures trying that experiment to DARWIN200.com. And then I want you to try and tell us what you think happened, why your hands felt the way you did when you took the cold water hand and put it in the room temperature hand, when you took the hot water hand and put it in the room temperature bowl. I want you to try to explain why you think your hands felt the way they did. I know I'm sounding a little bit funny, but I don't want to ruin the results of the experiment. I want you to feel and be surprised at how you can fool your brain with this very, very simple experiment.